Firstly, what is an embedded iPaaS? Just going simply to basics, you as a software house or as a technical business have the capability to deliver your own integrations, native integrations, if you like, in-house, handcrafted by your own team and built to your own requirements. At the other end, many people are very familiar with the concept of an iPaaS, an integration platform as a service such as Zapier or Tray.io or even Boomi or MuleSoft. Those integration platforms are there to help end users rather than software companies, to help end users knit together software applications such that they can then benefit from data movement between those applications. The concept of an embedded iPaaS, such as Cycler, but there are many others, is that it's a toolkit that can be used in-house to help you build native integrations at scale or to speed up your time to market.